Most people will never lose weight because of this one simple thing. Now, before I tell you, I want you to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think that thing is. All right, so let's talk about losing weight. You decide one day you want to go on a diet. You need to lose 30 pounds. Just like me, I'm on a weight loss journey right now trying to lose 40 pounds, of which I've lost 20. You get really excited about what your life is going to look like, imagining all of the cute clothes you're going to be able to wear and how good it's going to feel to be at a lower weight. And so you make a plan, you put it together, and you are ready to go. So for about 3 days, you are doing great. Like, you can even feel like maybe you've lost a pound, or you've definitely feel a little lighter and a little slimmer. But then around day 3, sure enough, something happens that throws you off. You have a bad day, maybe you don't have the food you need, or just something happens that throws you off. And what used to be you being excited about losing weight turns into a mental stronghold. So you've had a bad morning, you go to work, it's 10 o'clock, someone walks in with a box of donuts. And you have a choice. You can either stay on your plan or you can eat one of those donuts, which you know will probably start you off on some sort of binge or getting you off track from your plan. And then you may be tempted to just completely throw the plan away. And this is the problem, because we all go through this phase whenever we're trying to do any kind of goal in our life, especially losing weight. I know for me, I have started and stopped many different eating plans. Doing great at first, and then I get into a couple of days and all of a sudden I'm not following it anymore. So what's the problem? Well, the real problem is we never really committed to the plan in the first place. We think we did, but as soon as things got hard, as soon as we didn't feel like following the plan anymore, then we just scrap the plan and we go back to eating whatever and however much we actually wanted. But here's the problem with that thinking. Would you do that if you didn't feel like going to work every day? Would you wake up and say, I don't feel like going to work today, and so, you know what? I just think I'm going to stop working. Nope, you wouldn't do that. Would you hear the alarm at 5 and think to yourself, I am so tired, I do not want to get up and get out of bed today, so you know what? I think I'm just going to hit the snooze and I'm going to go back to bed. No, because you have to go to work, because it's a non-negotiable. When you have to go to work to pay your bills, you have made a commitment in your mind that you are going to do that, even though there are going to be many times that you don't feel like going to work or getting up early. So why do we do this with weight? Like I said, we're not committed to our plan. We have to make up our mind that no matter how we feel, we are going to stick to the plan anyway. So when someone walks in with the donuts or the company brings in lunch for us, we have to be determined and have our mind set that we are going to follow our plan no matter what. It is non-negotiable. And I know for me, over the last 9 months, as I've been losing this 20 pounds, there have been many times when I have actually fallen off the plan and maybe had a cheat meal or a treat meal or a food that I wasn't planning on eating. Yes, that's probably going to happen. You have to anticipate that at some point you probably are going to go off your plan. You're going to have a moment of weakness. The struggle is going to be a little bit too hard for you, and you may go off your plan. But the most important thing that you need to do is you need to get back up and tell yourself, okay, I went off the plan, I had a moment of weakness, but I am getting right back on this plan, because the most important thing for me is being able to lose this weight. Now let me know down in the comments if that's what you thought that one simple thing was. And if you're interested in hearing about my weight loss journey over the last 9 months, how I lost the first 15 pounds, I'm going to put a video right up here for you to watch. And I walk you all through step by step exactly what I did to lose those 15 pounds, especially over 50 years old, when before nothing else was working for me. All right, I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video.